polishing can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour, depending on the material and how smooth it needs to be, as different materials require different levels of polishing for optimal snugness. For instance, harder materials may require longer polishing times to achieve the desired slickness. The polishing process is done with great care, because the smoother the lens, the more user-friendly it will be. In fact, many people who try hard lenses for the first time find them unbearable, but after the polishing is done correctly, the usability increases significantly. Manufacturers often use high-tech polishing equipment to make sure that the lens surface is as level as possible. This is especially important for hard lenses, which rest directly on the eye. The outside of the contact lens is shaped in a similar way to the inside, but since the inside part is already done, the lens is held in place on the lathe with warm wax. The wax holds the lens steady so it doesn't move while it is being cut, which helps get the right shape for the best comfort and clear vision. If the lens moved even a little bit, it would be considered faulty and immediately disposed of. The diamond drill then makes two passes, one to make the lens the right thickness and another to shape the curve of the outside. The lens is then machined one last time to make sure it's the right size for the wearer's cornea. Hard lenses are known for being durable, which is one reason why some people prefer them. While soft lenses need to be replaced frequently, sometimes daily or monthly, hard lenses can last for years if they are well cared for. This makes them a cost-effective option for some users, despite the fact that they might take a little longer to get used to compared to soft lenses. The outer surface is polished next. A special paste mixed with oil is used to help even the surface. Instead of a round polisher, a fine polystyrene cotton ball is used for this step. The cotton ball is soft enough not to damage the lens, but strong enough to remove any remaining imperfections. After that, the edge of the lens is polished by hand to make sure it has an even finish. This polishing is important for both how the lens looks and how it feels when you blink. A rough surface could cause friction and irritation. By polishing the outside carefully, manufacturers make sure the lens moves as needed when in use. In 2023, user surveys showed that one of the top complaints about contact lenses was discomfort during blinking. This is why polishing is such a crucial step. A well-polished lens will minimize friction between the eyelid and the lens, making blinking feel natural and reducing the risk of irritation. This comfort factor is a key reason why people stick with their contact lenses or decide to stop using them. After all that polishing, the lens is still dry and rigid, so it needs to be soaked in water for 24 hours. This process makes the lens flexible and helps it reach the right size. Hydration is what gives the lens its sticky, rubbery feel. The lens has to absorb just the right amount of water so it fits well on your eye. If the lens is too dry or too wet, it won't work as intended. Hydration makes the lens soft and flexible, allowing it to mold to your eye's shape. Hydration is especially important for soft lenses, which need to stay moist to be soothing on the eye. Even hard lenses benefit from this hydration step as it helps the material become